You've heard of Abraham, but you've never seen him like this. In the movies, there are wide shots, medium shots, close-ups, and then there are the extreme close-ups. This is Abraham's extreme close-up. A life of faith. Abraham XCU. What happens when you zoom into Abraham's personal space? You see what he sees, smell what he smells, sweat what he sweats, feel what he feels. There are Bible studies that look at the Bible, and then there are stories where the Bible stares back. More than just interesting, it's personal. Because when you see Abraham like this, you see yourself too. Legacy, life, faith. Abraham XCU.